Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain cash app clearance fee in order to expose scam. So to get started, a cash app clearance fee is a common scam people run to trick you into sending them money. Scammer will exclaim that in order to release or process a large payment, you first have to pay a clearance fee or a release fee, even they call it verification fee, through cash app. In reality, cash app does not charge any clearance fee for receiving money. So if anyone asks you to pay one, it is scam. Cash app only charge small, which is clearly stated fee like an instant transfer fee or a credit card payment fee, and those are shown inside the app itself. So anyone requesting for a separate clearance fee outside of this is fake. So never send money to stranger claiming you need to pay a fee to unlock fund. So either respond or report and block them immediately. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.